you think you can tell heaven from hell, blue skies from pain? Can you tell like we feel from a cold steel rail? I smile from a veil, and do you think you can tell? And did they get you betrayed? Your heroes for ghosts, hot ashes for trees, hot air for the cool breeze, cold color for chains. And did you exchange a walk-home part in the wall for a lead role in the cage? I wish you were here. We're just two lost souls swimming in a fishbowl, year after year, running over the same old ground. But how we found the same old fears. Wish you were here.